how to fix your Roomba that's going on circles. So there's a few things you can do to potentially help you with this problem. So if your Roomba keeps spinning or moving in circles instead of just cleaning normally, then it's usually caused by dirty sensors, wheel problems, or maybe a software glitch. So with that in mind, you're gonna have a few things to prepare, like cleaning stuff. You have a screwdriver to help with the wheels later. You have brushes. You also have cloths. So just go ahead and prepare the normal stuff for your maintenance. But once you have that in mind, you're gonna have to go ahead and proceed. So go ahead and focus on the underside of the Roomba itself. So make sure it's powered off as well, since you don't want to damage it. So for the underside of the Roomba, you can go ahead and focus on cleaning the sensors over here. So the first thing you can focus on is on cleaning the wheels and the caster wheel. So remove hair and debris from both drive wheels, since usually there's going to be a buildup on that stuff and it gets stuck. You have to manually pull it out since the Roomba can't do it itself. You can pull out the front caster wheel and clean inside the socket depending on what model you have. So make sure all the wheels spin freely. So since the Roomba itself is off, you can go ahead and try spinning the wheels to see if it works properly. If one wheel is stuck, the Roomba will turn in circles. Physically, that is how that would work. So check the side brush as well, which is this one. It doesn't really affect too much with how the Roomba moves, but you can try unscrewing and removing the side brush as well. So just the basic maintenance. You can clean underneath it, or after doing that, you can reattach it securely. So put in mind you're using these cleaning tools only. You don't have to use anything more than a cloth. You don't need to wet it. You don't need to apply anything else. Just use the normal cleaning cloth and a cleaning brush. But again, a jam or uneven side brush, this thing, can affect movement direction. You can also try testing your Roomba itself on a flat surface. So you can move a Roomba to a smooth floor and avoid dark carpets, thick rugs, or clutter, those kind of stuff. And uneven surfaces can trigger sensor errors. So if you want to go ahead and test that out, then you always can. And finally, you can restart the Roomba. So once everything is back in place, you've cleaned everything, you don't see any more stuck debris on the Roomba itself, you can go ahead and try restarting the Roomba. So you should be able to do this specifically for your model, and it could depend. So you could check on your manual, but usually it's just by pressing the clean button right in the middle and just holding that for around 10 to 20 seconds. So by doing that, it's going to restart the Roomba, and you're gonna have to wait for the reboot to finish. There's going to be indicators for that. There's going to be lights, and it's going to start a new cleaning cycle. So this resets temporary software issues as well. But those are a few things you can put in mind to potentially fix the Roomba that is going on circles. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.